Struggling with cough, struggling with sore throat, you feel your respiratory system is not up to the mark. You feel your sleep will be disturbed because of your cough or because of the way your throat is feeling right now. Come tap with me. Even though I'm struggling with this cough, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this sore throat and this cough, I'm fed up and I'm unsure if I can sleep through the night. I choose to honor my body. And even though I'm struggling with this cough, my throat feels weird and I'm sounding weird because of the cough and the sore throat. I choose to accept myself deeply and completely. Yes, I'm struggling because of this cough and sore throat. I feel so deeply bothered because of the cough and sore throat. So much of pollution in the air, dust in the air, due to the construction work around. I feel very helpless. I'm struggling with this coughing issue. And I'm unsure if I can sleep through the night. I have had enough of this cough and sore throat. I need a change in my routine. This cough is triggering the stress in my body. I feel the stress in my respiratory system. And then there are these irritants in my throat, which are triggering my cough and my sore throat. I want to feel better. I'm open to the possibility of feeling a bit better. I can let go of this frustration because of this cough and the sore throat. And even if I still am unsure about my sleep pattern tonight, I allow myself to slow down. I choose to slow down. I can calm down. I deserve a good night's sleep. I can calm down. I deserve a good night's sleep. Allowing my muscles to calm down. I deserve a good night's sleep. Allowing my joints to calm down. I deserve a good night's sleep. I choose to slow down. I deserve a good night's sleep. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. And have some water.